Chapter 34 War. The Vanara army surrounded the golden city of Lanka. Towering walls ring the city, broken by 4 heavily fortified gates, each defended by moats and legions of Rakshasa warriors. Ram divided his army into 4 contingents, each led by one of his most trusted generals: Sugriv, Hanuman, Jambavan, and Nal. At the heart of the formation stood Ram and Lakshmana, ready to lead the final assault. With brute strength, the Vanaras uprooted trees and rolled boulders to fill the moat, creating paths to storm the gates. With thundering roars, Ram's army shattered the reinforced doors, flooding into Lanka. Ravana's army responded with terrifying force. Chariots drawn by demonic steeds, armored warriors wielding advanced weapons, and dark sorcerers emerged from within. The clash was immense, flesh against steel, unbridled fury against methodical warfare. The Vanaras hurled massive stones and tree trunks, ripping through the ranks of Rakshasa warriors. Their ferocity and unpredictability created chaos among the demon ranks. At the heart of the battle, Hanuman was a whirlwind of destruction. Towering over his enemies, he struck down battalions of Rakshasas, splintering their chariots and casting generals to the ground with earth-shattering blows. His roars spread terror among the demon forces. The battle raged on for days, but as hope surged among the Vanaras, darkness fell upon the battlefield. Indrajit, Ravana's son, emerged wielding celestial astras and striking fear into even the boldest Vanara warriors. His mastery of dark magic and divine weapons brought slaughter upon the forest dwellers. Vanaras fell by the thousands. Even the mightiest among them hesitated before the unseen terror. Indrajit unleashed devastating attacks from the shadows, striking unseen and retreating before any could retaliate. Ram and Lakshmana charged towards Indrajit. Ram unleashed a relentless barrage of astras, each one crackling with celestial fire, forcing the demon prince to stumble back, overwhelmed by the fury of the attack. The battle between the 3 warriors lit the battlefield like a storm. But finally, Indrajit invoked the Nagapash, a deadly serpent weapon gifted by the gods, and unleashed a lethal assault on the princes. Mystical serpents formed of astral energy coiled around Ram and Lakshmana, binding them, draining their life force, and the princes fell. The sight of Ram and Lakshmana, their beloved leaders, lying still upon the earth, sent a shudder through the Vanara ranks. Many faltered, some wept. With a sinister smile, Indrajit withdrew from the battlefield to deliver news of his triumph to his father. Sugriv made his way to the princes, smashing away the demons in his path. The Monkey King was battered and bruised, and choked back tears of sorrow as he looked upon the lifeless sons of Ayodhya. With a defiant roar, Sugriv raised his weapons and shouted to his army, "We do not yield. Sita will be freed, and the Demon King will fall." Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.